oh, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. So many dreams, yeah, in my life. I dream a lot of things in my life. You dream, I dream. They dream, we dream. And I dream of love, supernatural love. And everything I have makes me long for more. And the more that I have, the more I long for more. So this makes me realize that this world will never satisfy my heart, no matter how much I obtain. So my dream for Jannah grows day by day, and I pray to Allah to guide me all the way till I make it to His paradise, the home of
biggest dreams to see you, see you be my pleasure, but no one is like you, Allah. I wish to see you, see you, but no one is like you, Allah.
And I wish to face the prophet, getting rich, being famous, being scholars and so. We dream those ordinary dreams, forgetting that one day we'll leave this world. We will go with no dream, we dream, yeah. Sorrowful, yeah. My biggest dreams to see you,
See you be my pleasure, but no one is like you, Allah.
I wish to see you,
see you be my pleasure, but no one is like you, Allah. Peace be upon me,
and be with Him in Jannah. I dream of freedom, I dream of
peace be upon me,
and be with Him in Jannah. On this side, we are just passing by, like a river from the mountain.